don't think y'all be hearing me. All this lint is flying. Those not scratches on there, y'all. That's lint. Trying to get the lint off. But I'm going to just shoot this video anyway. Just give y'all a close-up on my 79D. And give y'all a close-up. That's my 79. Give y'all a close-up. What it really look like. There it go. That's what my 79 look like. That's it right there. Let me do the reverse. I got a reverse. Look at that penny. All gold. That's number 3. This is my 79. I got 5 pennies that look like this. Yes. Look at that. Look how thick it is. It's just thick. It's just so thick. The shine is so thick. The shine is so thick. Yeah, it's just all gold. All gold. All gold. Let me flip it back. All gold. All gold. 1979. All gold. Look at that. 1979, all gold.